Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel online work. First, identify your core Excel strengths, such as data entry, pivot tables, or formula creation. Many businesses need these skills for various projects. You can leverage these abilities to find flexible online opportunities. We'll explore where to look and how to present yourself effectively to potential clients. To find work, consider popular freelance platforms where clients post Excel-specific tasks. These sites allow you to create a profile showcasing your expertise. Don't forget professional networking sites like LinkedIn, which often feature remote data analysis or administrative roles requiring strong Excel skills. Look for opportunities that match your skill level and availability. Your online profile is your digital resume. Make sure it clearly outlines your Excel proficiency, including specific functions and tools you master. A portfolio with examples of your work, even mock projects, can significantly boost your credibility. Be transparent about your pricing, whether it's an hourly rate or a fixed project fee, to attract suitable clients. When applying, tailor your proposals to each job description, emphasizing how your Excel skills meet their needs. Once hired, maintain open and professional communication throughout the project lifecycle. Delivering accurate, high-quality work within agreed-upon deadlines is crucial for building a positive reputation and securing future opportunities. Good luck with your online Excel journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.